Coco.
How cold is it?
Coco.
Well,
Coco and Connie, why you hiding there? Coco,
her
why you
bum's
hiding?
wet.
Is it? Ayan. Uy, come here. Come here, Coco.
Make sure she got food.
Oh, come on. Come here. Come here. Give me a poop.
Connie or Mama?
Yes,
I
is
think
it?
nalalamig siya.
Hindi. Nasa araw na nga siya eh.
No, but she's cold.
Is it?
Yeah, because she's cold. She's wet in it.
Why you're hiding, Coco? Come here. Tawagin mo si Coco, Flo. Coco,
No, I'm gonna pay that rent.
tawagin mo nga si Coco. Call Coco, why is hiding? Oh, you are shy in the camera? Are you shy in the camera, Coco? Huh? Coco, you shy in the camera.
Shy.
Very shy.
Ano nangyari dito, Con?
What happened with that? So pagdating mo, ano nila, excited sila?
Yeah. Kembot.
Ay, excited. You see now, Chloe. Ha, Coco, come on here. Coco, come here.
Gonna spray white.
Tawagin mo, Chloe.
I need some new tyres first, but I'm going to spray it. I need some new tyres.
Pagka ganito, naggaganyan sila.
But I'll get new tyres.
Ganitong panahon.
Siyempre, when nag-shower din sila.
Ano yan, Chloe?
Ano yan?
Tawagin si Coco ba nag-ano rin?
Hindi masyado.
Si Connie lang. Kasi kumbaga, si Connie matanda na, gano'n. Si Coco bata pa. Huwag mo nang ganyanin. Uy, stop doing it. Taglaga sila ng balahibo ngayon. Ano?
Yung bones wet, Con.
Chloe, stop doing it. Oh, yeah, full of hair your hand now. Chloe. Tawagin mo si Ko. Yung balahibo lumilipad eh. Too much balahibo. You know, can you see the balahibo there? Oh. Huwag mo nang hawakan ganyan. Baba mo. Nagtatago si Coco eh. Ba't siya nagtatago?
Si Coco is dry.
Tawagin mo nga. Tawagin mo. Tawagin mo.
Coco.
Come here. Come here, I give you food. Here. Come on, food. Here. Ano to food?
Dinner.
Here, food. Food.
Dinner.
Here. Ano ba ito? What's in here? Food. Kunwari, food eh. Wagwag ka ng wagwag dyan.
Si Coco. Shake.
May wagwag ka ng wagwag.
Shake,
Ayan.
Coco. Shake.